Have you ever considered making money on Amazon? If so, you're in the right place. Amazon, the world's largest online retailer, offers a myriad of opportunities for budding entrepreneurs to seasoned business owners. From selling your own products to leveraging Amazon's fulfillment program, from earning through affiliate marketing to showcasing your creativity with Amazon merch, there's something for everyone. We're about to take you on a journey through these diverse avenues and provide insights into succeeding on this platform. So without further ado, let's delve into the ways you can earn money through Amazon. The first and most popular way to earn money on Amazon is by selling products. Now, you might be wondering, just how do you get started? Well, you can begin by listing items you already have but no longer need, or even create a new product to sell. Amazon provides two options for sellers. The individual seller account is perfect for those of you who are looking to sell fewer than 40 items a month. It's a great way to dip your toes in the waters of online selling. But if you're aiming to sell more than 40 items a month, then the professional seller account is your best bet. This option is designed for more heavy-duty selling. So you've chosen your seller account type. What's next? You'll need to list your products, but don't just list them. Make sure to optimize your listings with high-quality images and detailed descriptions that really sell your product. And remember, customer service is key. Fulfill orders promptly and respond to customer queries with enthusiasm. Building a positive reputation is crucial in the world of online selling. But selling on Amazon isn't just about listing and selling products. It's about strategy. It's about understanding your customers, their needs, and how to meet those needs. It's about standing out in a marketplace that's bustling with competition. With dedication and a little bit of strategy, anyone can become a successful seller on Amazon. Another lucrative option for earning money on Amazon is through their Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA program. This program is a game changer for sellers, as it allows you to offload the storage, packing, and shipping of your products to Amazon. This leaves you with more time to focus on what truly matters, finding great products and optimizing your listings. So how does it work? Essentially, you find products that are in high demand, but with low competition. You can use online tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 to help you with this research. Once you've got your products, you create a shipment plan, package your items, and send them off to an Amazon fulfillment center. From there, Amazon takes over. They store your products, pack them when an order comes in, and ship them out to the customer. But the benefits don't stop there. Amazon also handles customer service and returns for these orders. This means less stress for you and a better buying experience for your customers. Plus, with Amazon's vast network of fulfillment centers, your products can be delivered faster and reach a wider audience. But remember, while the FBA program can simplify your operations, it's not a hands-off approach. You still need to manage your inventory, optimize your listings, and monitor your sales to ensure success. FBA is a fantastic way to streamline your business operations while maximizing your potential profits. It's like having a team of Amazon employees, all working to help grow your business. So why not give it a try? If selling products isn't for you, you might consider Amazon's affiliate program, known as Amazon Associates. This is a unique way to leverage the retail giant's vast product catalog without having to manage inventory or customer service. Here's how it works. You choose products that align with your platform's content, whether that's a blog, a YouTube channel, or a social media account. You then create content around these products like reviews, how-to guides, or comparison articles. The goal is to provide value to your audience while subtly promoting the product. Next, you use a special link, called an affiliate link, in your content. This link tracks any purchases made after someone clicks on it. When your audience members click your link and make a purchase, you get a commission. It's as simple as that. But just because it's simple doesn't mean it's easy. It requires strategy and finesse. The key is to choose products that are genuinely useful to your audience. You also need to write honest and insightful content. Remember, trust is crucial in affiliate marketing. If your audience feels you're just trying to sell them something, they won't click your links. And don't forget to disclose your affiliate links. This is not only ethical, but it's also required by Amazon's policies and by law in many countries. Affiliate marketing through Amazon is a great way to earn passive income, especially if you have a platform with a large following. For the creatives out there, Amazon Merch might be the perfect opportunity for you. This program allows you to unleash your artistic prowess and turn it into a profitable venture. With Merch by Amazon, you can create and sell custom designs on various merchandise such as t-shirts, hoodies, and more. The beauty of this program is that Amazon takes care of the heavy lifting. They handle the printing, shipping, and customer service, which leaves you free to focus on creating eye-catching designs. Getting started is simple. You sign up for a Merch by Amazon account and submit your designs. Once approved, these designs are listed on Amazon's marketplace for the world to see and buy. And the best part? You earn a royalty for every piece sold. With Amazon Merch, you can monetize your creativity and reach a global audience. This is a fantastic way to turn your passion into a lucrative side hustle or even a full-time business. No matter which method you choose, there are a few key tips to remember for success on Amazon. First and foremost, make customer satisfaction your top priority. Prompt replies to inquiries and excellent service can make a world of difference. Secondly, optimize your listings with alluring images and relevant keywords to improve visibility and attract buyers. Lastly, stay informed about Amazon's ever-evolving policies and guidelines. By keeping these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to earning money on Amazon. In conclusion, Amazon offers a multitude of ways for entrepreneurs like you to earn money. From selling products, leveraging the Fulfillment by Amazon program, engaging in affiliate marketing, to expressing your creativity with Merch by Amazon, there's a path for you. Remember, success lies in customer satisfaction, optimizing your listings, and staying informed about Amazon's policies. With hard work and a little bit of strategy, you can start earning money on Amazon today. Thanks for watching.